this is our front lobby area here, where you'll find me. This is my office with all the windows. We're going to come on back around the corner here. This first office I'm going to show you is Dr. Becker's office. All the windows, nice and spacious. The adjusting table, we have a pro adjuster over here for the handheld adjusting device. All right, our next office is Dr. Derek Virgil's office. He's got a pro or adjusting table in here as well. A nice view of the city. All right, we're going right across the hall here. We have massage roller tables, 2 of them. This is the first of the rooms. And this is our second massage roller table. And then this next room, this is our electrical muscle stimulation room. We also have acupuncture that we do. We have 2 rooms for that as well, and I'll show you the second one here. We always have pillows for sale. We like to offer cervical pillows at our office. So that's this first electrical muscle stimulation room. Then we're going to the second room here. This is also where we do the acupuncture, and we have another electrical muscle stimulation machine in here. All right, so let's go across the hall here. This is where our new patients will start out. This is our exam room. We've got an exam table, and then we have our x-ray machine in here as well. Very nice high-tech where we can get clear images on our computer screen over here of what's going on and have a deeper look at your inside. And right across the hall from that, we've got a nice little sitting area, as well as tea and hot water. And most importantly, our restroom is right across the hall from our exam room. All right, and that's all I've got for you today. Thanks so much for joining me on a tour of our wonderful office. See you next time.